Good skincare is not just for women. It's a universal practice that benefits everyone, regardless of gender. Healthy skin is a reflection of overall well-being and can significantly boost your confidence. It's for everyone who wants healthy and vibrant skin. Whether you're young or old, male or female, taking care of your skin should be a priority. Taking care of your skin is essential at any age. As we grow older, our skin changes and requires different care. Starting a skincare routine early can help maintain youthful skin and prevent future issues. It helps you look and feel your best. When your skin is healthy, it shows. You feel more confident and ready to face the world. A simple skincare routine can make a big difference. You don't need an elaborate regimen to see results. Consistency is key. In this guide, we'll explore the secrets to youthful skin in just 10 minutes. Let's get started. We'll cover everything from cleansing to moisturizing and how to choose the right products for your skin type. Men's skin is unique and requires specific care. Factors like facial hair and exposure to the elements can impact skin health. It's important to use products that cater to these specific needs. Understanding your skin type and concerns is the first step towards a tailored skincare routine. Consulting with a dermatologist can provide valuable insights and help you choose the best products. Remember, investing in your skin is an investment in yourself. Taking the time to care for your skin can lead to long-term benefits, both for your appearance and your overall health. Your skin is your body's largest organ. It has three main layers: the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Each layer plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin. The epidermis is the outermost layer. It acts as a barrier against the environment. The dermis, the middle layer, contains collagen and elastin, which keep skin firm and elastic. The hypodermis, the deepest layer, stores fat and provides insulation. Understanding these layers helps you choose the right products and treatments. For example, exfoliants work on the epidermis, while hyaluronic acid targets the dermis. Knowing your skin type, whether oily, dry, or combination, is also key to effective skincare. Exfoliation is the process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. This essential step in your skincare routine helps to keep your skin looking fresh and vibrant. By removing the outer layer of dead skin cells, you allow new, healthy skin to come to the surface, which can make a significant difference in your overall complexion. It reveals brighter, smoother skin underneath. Regular exfoliation can also help to even out your skin tone and improve the texture of your skin, making it feel softer and more supple. Dead skin cells can clog pores, leading to acne, ingrown hairs, and dullness. When your pores are clogged, it can be difficult for your skin to breathe and for your skincare products to penetrate effectively. This can result in a buildup of oil and bacteria, which can cause breakouts and other skin issues. There are two types of exfoliation: chemical and mechanical. Each type has its own benefits and can be chosen based on your skin type and personal preference. Chemical exfoliants use acids to dissolve the bonds between skin cells, allowing them to be washed away easily. These acids, such as glycolic acid and salicylic acid, can penetrate deeper into the skin to provide a more thorough exfoliation, while mechanical exfoliants use scrubs or brushes to physically remove them. These products often contain small particles or beads that help to slough off dead skin cells through gentle abrasion. For most men, chemical exfoliation is gentler and more effective. It can be less abrasive on the skin, and is often recommended for those with sensitive skin or conditions like acne or rosacea. Look for products containing alpha-hydroxy acids like glycolic acid or beta-hydroxy acids like salicylic acid. These ingredients are known for their ability to exfoliate the skin effectively, while also providing additional benefits like reducing fine lines and improving skin hydration. Start with exfoliating once a week and gradually increase the frequency if your skin tolerates it well. Over-exfoliating can lead to irritation and damage, so it's important to listen to your skin and adjust your routine accordingly. With consistent care, you'll be on your way to a healthier, more radiant complexion. Retinoids are derivatives of vitamin A, a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in skin health. They work by increasing cell turnover, which helps reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Retinoids come in different strengths, from over-the-counter retinol to prescription-strength tretinoin. Start with a low concentration and gradually increase it as your skin adjusts. It's essential to use retinoids at night, as they can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Always wear sunscreen during the day when using retinoids. Section 5. Proteoglycans, the building blocks of youthful skin. Proteoglycans are molecules that help maintain skin hydration and elasticity. They act like sponges, holding onto water and keeping your skin plump and supple. Our bodies naturally produce proteoglycans, but production decreases with age. This decline contributes to wrinkles, sagging skin, and dryness. To boost proteoglycan production, incorporate vitamin C into your skincare routine. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that also stimulates collagen synthesis, further enhancing skin firmness. Look for serums containing L-ascorbic acid, the most effective form of vitamin C. Section 6. Hyaluronic acid, the hydration hero. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. It's found naturally in our skin and helps keep it hydrated and plump. As we age, our hyaluronic acid levels decline, leading to dryness, fine lines, and loss of volume. Topical application of hyaluronic acid can replenish moisture levels and improve skin elasticity. Look for serums or moisturizers containing hyaluronic acid and apply them to damp skin for optimal absorption. Section 7. Antioxidants, your skin's best friend. Antioxidants protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging. Free radicals are generated by exposure to UV radiation, pollution, and other environmental factors. Incorporate antioxidant-rich foods into your diet such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts. You can also use skincare products containing antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and green tea extract. Section 8. Intermittent fasting, a systemic approach to skin health. Intermittent fasting is a dietary pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. It has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammation. Emerging research suggests that intermittent fasting may also benefit skin health by promoting cellular repair and reducing oxidative stress. If you're considering intermittent fasting, consult with your doctor to determine if it's right for you. They can guide you on the most appropriate fasting protocol based on your individual health status and goals. Section 9. Building a skincare routine. Simple steps for a lifetime. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to create a skincare routine that is both effective and easy to follow. Whether you're a skincare novice or a seasoned enthusiast, these steps will help you achieve and maintain healthy, glowing skin. Creating a skincare routine doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, simplicity is often the key to consistency and effectiveness. By focusing on a few fundamental steps, you can build a routine that fits seamlessly into your daily life and addresses your skin's unique needs. Start with these simple steps. Each step is designed to target specific aspects of skin health, ensuring that your skin receives comprehensive care. Let's dive into the details. 1. Cleanse. Wash your face twice a day, morning and night, with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Cleansing is the foundation of any skincare routine, as it prepares your skin to absorb the benefits of the products that follow. Choose a cleanser that suits your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or a combination. 2. Exfoliate. Use a chemical exfoliant 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs. Exfoliation helps to reveal a brighter, smoother complexion by promoting cell turnover. Be mindful not to over-exfoliate, as this can lead to irritation and sensitivity. 3. Treat. Apply a retinoid serum at night to reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Retinoids are powerful ingredients that can transform your skin's texture and tone. Start with a lower concentration if you're new to retinoids, and gradually increase as your skin builds tolerance. 4. Hydrate. Use a moisturizer containing hyaluronic acid to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Hydration is crucial for maintaining your skin's elasticity and preventing dryness. Look for moisturizers that also contain other beneficial ingredients like ceramides and antioxidants. 5. Protect. Apply sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Sunscreen is your best defense against premature aging and skin cancer. Make it a non-negotiable part of your morning routine. Stick to your skincare routine and you'll start to see noticeable improvements in your skin's health and appearance. Consistency is key, and over time you'll notice your skin becoming more radiant, even-toned, and resilient. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a destination. By following these simple tips, you can unlock the secret to youthful, radiant skin that will last a lifetime. Embrace the process, enjoy the results, and take pride in the care you give to your skin. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today.